Think, Mark. Think. NASA points a telescope and finds something that tells you how small you really are. Kelt 9b's the deadliest planet they've found. Do you understand why you'd melt instantly the moment you stepped onto that thing?
I get the headline, but tell me more. How can a planet make you melt? Is it just hot, or is there more to it than that?
Hot? Hot is an understatement. The day side of Kelt 9b is hotter than some stars. Its surface, if you can call a gas giant's top atmosphere a surface, reaches temperatures high enough to break molecules apart, rip atoms free, and vaporize metals. Iron, magnesium, titanium, gas, not solid. Think beyond pain. Your body would be turned to plasma in seconds. You don't understand real power if you think skin and bone can withstand that.
That's brutal. So it's not just heat, it's radiation too, right? The star blasting it with intense ultraviolet light, stripping electrons away. Could anything survive in that environment?
Survival requires fundamental changes. The star is an A-type, brighter and harsher than our sun. Ultraviolet and extreme temperatures mean chemistry as you know it cannot hold. No stable molecules, no complex chemistry, no life based on carbon molecules. Does that upset you, Mark? Does it make you question our search?
It makes me wonder why we look for these places if they're unreachable, but studying them teaches us about extremes, planet formation, atmospheric physics. If we know how things die, we might better understand how they live. What moral responsibility do we have to study worlds we'll never touch?
Moral responsibility? You think knowledge softens the truth? Studying the impossible sharpens your intellect. It tells you the limits of life, the raw rules of the universe, but it also humbles you. Your life is fleeting, a blink compared to forces that can erase you without thought. Does that frighten you or galvanize you?
Both. It makes me want to protect what little fragility we have, but it also pushes me to learn more. If there are places where entire atoms are stripped bare, imagining them forces us to redefine what's possible. Could there be forms of existence that thrive in plasma and radiation, forms we can't even conceive of?
Conceive them if you must, but never forget scale. You don't understand real power until you see a world that melts metal into gas and turns molecules into memory. What will you do with that knowledge, Mark?
Use it. Not to conquer, but to keep people safe and to push science forward. We study the deadliest places so we can better protect the livable ones. Isn't that worth the risk of learning?